Hello everybody, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying your time off here, but sounds like we need to start hitting it hard on Monday, the 30th, to start our online class, distance learning style. Just wanted to go through with you a few things about the class and about expectations. First of all, if you're watching this video, you're probably on Google Classroom at this point for the Geo Apps class. I'm going to go through on how to work the Google Classroom later, not right now, but I will have helpful times that you can ask questions or let me know what's going on, what you need help with. What I do want to talk about is the assignments, lessons, what we're going to be doing, what the expectation is for you to cover things, how I'm going to go through things, what's expected of you. I'm going to start each section off with a lesson. Okay, I'm going to do an instruction video where I'm going to go through the PowerPoint that I have for you, basically right out of the book. And I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible. Giving you an opportunity to pause the video if you need to, or to practice problems. When you're listening to these videos, you should be taking notes, looking in your book, phone put away, so you're not, unless you're using it to watch the video, just paying attention. Spending that 10-15 minutes that it's going to take to go through the lesson. The next thing, I'm going to also post Khan Academy videos, which are just basically tutorial videos off the internet. There's many topics in Khan Academy. They don't always line up exactly with what we were doing in the book, but they will line up a little bit and have some main concepts that you want to know. Watch these videos, take time, look at them, think about them. Use Khan Academy's site to do worksheets if you need to, or to learn more about those topics that we're going to be talking about. Assignments, I will be posting an assignment on Google Classroom that you have to do. Basically, it's going to be just like what we do in class. You're going to have a small assignment out of your book. Instead of doing evens, we'll be doing odds, but I cannot have you just write the answers down. You're going to need to show your work, and then you're going to need to submit your assignment back to me. You're going to have to upload it using the Scanner app. Now, the two Scanner apps that I'm suggesting that you can use on a mobile device like your phone is Tiny Scanner and Genius Scan. Those two scanning apps, you should be able to use either one. Maybe one works better than the other. They're free. You should be able to get those. And the benefit of scanning your assignment rather than taking a photo of it, which is possible, you could do that too, is to, when you scan it, you can scan multiple things at one time and send it or upload it all at one time. The benefit for me, if you scan it, is it's easier to read and see your work. So scanning your items should be better, much better than taking a photo. If you have to take a photo, and you can upload photos just like a scan. Date that's due, there should be a due date for each assignment that I post on Google Classroom. You'll have to have everything uploaded by then. Otherwise it's too late. Tests, we're gonna take tests, but we haven't quite crossed that bridge yet on how that's all gonna happen. We'll cover that later. Now, the big thing that we're going to do every day every school day, is to have a daily Google Meet, it's called. So under your Google account, there's a Google Meet. It should be in the same location as you find Google Classroom. And Google Meet is basically like an interactive meeting that you can go on and join a class or join a meeting. And that meeting is going to be called Geometry Apps Sorry. Now, I want to make sure I have my last name there because Mr. Hewitt has a Geometry Apps class as well, and I don't know what his meeting name is, but that's what ours is going to be, Geometry Apps, sorry. So at 9 o'clock every day, so basically class time, since our class usually runs till about 9:50, 9 o'clock every day, we are going to have a Google Meet, and if you have questions or just, every day in the same time, get together on Google Meet, answer questions. I can go over questions people have. I can talk about the homework. I can talk about anything that is confusing or you need help with. And just that's what we're going to plan on doing starting on Monday. So I'll have something on Google Classroom about that, and so just look for that and plan on meeting every Monday at 9 o'clock, or every day at 9 o'clock. And that's basically all I wanted to do, was introduce you back to school, distance learning style. I am not an actor, I'm not good in front of a camera, but I'm basically looking out at the classroom right now that has no students in it. And so it's hard for me to be able to give you what you need going through a camera, through the internet, through Google Classroom, but yet you can send me an email, send me a message through Google Classroom if you have questions. As long as you're participating, you're following along, doing assignments, uploading assignments back to me, you should be okay in the class. You got to communicate. And I say this every day in class as well. Got to communicate, and we'll get through it. We'll get through it together. So have a good day. We'll talk to you later.